How to send a snap from camera roll as a normal snap. First of all, let's navigate and open the Snapchat app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are in, tap on the circle icon to create a short snap. Now you will see a plus icon at the bottom left. Tap on that and a new page will appear on the screen. On the right side, tap on the import media option. This will take you to the camera roll tab where you can select the photo you want to send as a normal snap. Once selected, tap on the check mark at the bottom right and wait a moment to complete the uploading. Next, select the short snap that was created and tap on the bin icon to remove it. Then tap on the upload snap preview. Once you are satisfied with the preview, tap on the send to button and select the friends from the list to share it as a normal snap. And that's it. The snap will appear as a normal snap instead of a chat image. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.